Today we're going to be doing a follow-up video on that D8 that we did last week. So today we're going to focus on this front end. And as you can see, right over here is the cooling group, or the hard nose. So your hoist cylinders bolt right here in these yokes. Of course, these yokes pivot inside of this structure. This is all one piece, and this is what raises and lowers your blade. And this is your blade's all down here. Here's your fan. Here's your fan motor. These lines hook to hoses that come out of here, or excuse me, these actually come up through here, and this is what hooks to your hoist cylinders when they're up here. So this hard nose has 4 pins that hold it on the machine. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side. So when you come around here to the machine, pins here and right here. So what they do, when you want to tilt this forward, you unpin back here, take these pins out, leave these in, and if your engine is damaged, there's a sensor you can unplug, and then you can turn the key in the cab while you have your hoist function on your hoist cylinders pulled back, and the starter will turn the hydraulic pump just enough, and as your cylinders pull down on the blade, it'll yank. Since it's not pinned anymore, it's going to pull that hard nose over. So then your radiator and all this cooling package tilts up and out of the way. You know, when you have the hoses undone, that'll tilt up and out of the way. So then that'll just open all this up to where you can pull your engine or whatever you have to do. So that's actually a really unique design that was really well thought out, even though it still is quite a job. But a lot of times when you see these machines on TV, on shows like Gold Rush or whatever, you can see that they'll have this. They'll have that part over there tilted forward, where they're in there working, pulling engines or replacing stuff, etc. So as you can see, the machine this week got some more hoses on it, batteries. These are your I believe those are the hoist hoses. Yeah, so these hoses are going to hook to the bottom of those 2 that we looked in the hard nose over there. I think we already looked at the engine. C15, just like what we're used to looking at, and just real similar to what you'd see in an on-highway truck. Powers this machine. So as you can see, this metal, where it's etched, that's common from the landfills. That trash, when it gets the moisture on whatever we throw out in the landfills, mixes with all the different chemicals, it just turns really, really caustic. So I think that's why they had to build this up with these plates. I'd say this frame was probably pretty well ate up. We'll probably take a week or 2 off from this machine. We'll come back to it. That over there is a 988. We'll probably do that machine for this coming Friday's video. So tune back in. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.